Let me know if I'm crazy. The Starlight headliner, but I want to do the clouds. Lights on the board. Holy shit, this is crazy. I'm really impressed with myself right now. Actually, this might be the coolest mod that I've done to the truck. Look at that. Starting the day off right. Some fried rice. If you don't like lemon pepper chicken wings, we cannot be friends. We can't be friends. Damn. Another work day in the books. Those chicken wings were really good. If y'all don't know, lemon pepper chicken wings are the fucking move, like absolutely. But here, let me get y'all a little cold start with the new tip. Y'all see how big that motherfucker is? A little cold start action for you. By the tent shop to see what's going on, and nobody's here except Sean. Yo. Sean's here, but nobody's up here. I came by. Hey, first of all, before I forget, new podcast is dropping this week. Lifted in the A with the boys. We filmed the new podcast last night. I didn't film anything up there, but I just want to let you guys know that the new podcast is dropping on the YouTube channel for that podcast, Lifted in the A podcast, on Friday. I don't know what time Friday. Y'all follow me on Instagram or follow the Instagram of the podcast for more updates. But it's a banger. It's a banger. There's some controversial topics that we touch on, and that's going to be part of what we do. Is we're going all in. I mean, we're staying relevant, and we're going to touch on some really controversial things. So you guys need to tap in to the podcast on Friday. It's on Friday. Go subscribe. All right, here's the goal. We made it back home. And let me know if I'm crazy, but a lot of people do the Starlight headliner in their trucks, right? Well, I've been seeing something on TikTok, like I said, and I want to try it. I don't think anybody's done this. I want to do the Starlight headliner, but I want to do the clouds. Now, I want you guys to know right now, disclaimer, this is not permanent. I'm doing this as cheap as possible for the video. But if this is something that you guys want me to do, like actually in the headliner, I can do that. So let me know. I can take the headliner out and I can have me and somebody professionally do this. So let me know if you guys like the idea, if you like the concept. So we stopped by Hobby Lobby, Target, and Walmart. I'm gonna explain this a little bit better later on, but after some elaboration, after some thinking about it, we got a bunch of like project paper. We got some spray adhesive. Probably gonna need some duct tape, and I got zip ties downstairs. And then we got some, like, not yarn, but string, kind of like ropey string. All of this is gonna come together because I don't want to put the clouds and I don't want to glue everything to the headliner. I want to do it on the paper first and then attach the paper base to the headliner, because like I said, I don't know if this is permanent. I don't want to start gluing stuff to the headliner, and that's just I don't know. I'm not ready to go down that road yet. If this video gets a lot of likes, a lot of feedback, maybe we'll do something like that. And of course, got the lights that we're going to be using. I tried to find, they're on Walmart's website. They have like a multiple color changing, you know, indoor LED kit. They didn't have it at the Walmart I went to tonight. I was running out of time. It's getting kind of late, and so I got this 6-foot strand of red, and you guys know red's my favorite color, so I think that's going to be fine. Let's plug these in just a second and at least see what they look like. And then of course I got like 5 bags of this polyfill cotton stuff. It's what goes in pillows, I think. But that's what we got tonight. So I mean, a lot of this video is going to be do it yourself. I mean, we're in the man cave. We're in the Bread Gang World headquarters upstairs in my office. We got the we got all the neon signs on. We got the pineapple. We got the Dos Equis up top. Shout out to my guy Cookie Monster. Oh, we got the Strohs over here too. That one's really bright though. That one's a little overkill, so I leave that one off sometimes unless I'm just like really in the mood for it. But I'm gonna get to this install and see if we can get this done tonight. I'm not going to sleep till this is done, so you know, it might seem like only 10 or 15 minutes, but we're gonna stay up and get this bread tonight. So first order of business, I've already kind of measured out the headliner. You know, kind of a rough kind of, you know, how far we need to be. Oh, I do need to go take one more measurement. So it needs to be about 46 inches wide, but I didn't see how long it needs to be. So I'm gonna run outside and get that measurement, and then we're gonna start cutting some paper. But real quick, let's see our lights. Let's see what our lights look like. This is our 6 foot of LED lights. Plugs in the other side, that's why. Wow, I remember my first time. Look at me getting myself in my own joke. There we go, plug it in. Now this doesn't seem very bright in here because I got a bunch of other lights on, but I think this is gonna work pretty well, just for the time being, obviously for the sake of the video. I think this is gonna work pretty well. We need to straighten this out, and yeah, I'm gonna go grab that measurement and we're gonna get started. All right, it took me a little while, and remember, we're focused on the final product here, not halfway through it. So I've got my measurements taken. I've got a couple pieces of this white board taped together. This is gonna give us from handle to handle is how I'm gonna mount it. So this is long enough to reach each side on the 4 handles and far enough back to reach both the handles on each side. So next step from here, we're gonna attach our lights to the white side. I guess I'm gonna use the white side. What do you guys think? I don't know. Should I use the white side or the black side? I think the light will reflect better on the white side. Yeah, let's go white side. Oh, anyway, so we're gonna attach our lights to this side, and then after we get the lights on, then we can start gluing on our clouds. So I will give you guys an update when I'm done. Doesn't look very pretty, but we got our lights on the board. See if I can plug this in so y'all can see it real quick. Are y'all getting the vision now? Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Maybe, maybe not. Lights on the board. Now right now it doesn't look very good, but once we start adding the clouds on, it'll really come together. So the last step really is to get the clouds on, and then make sure we got some holes on each side to be able to attach it to the handles on the headliner. And then after that, we're going in the truck. I really don't want to spray this glue spray that I got inside, so I came outside. We're gonna spray it on the back of the truck right here, and then once we get everything sprayed, it's dried, all the clouds are on, I've got an extension cord so we can test this out. So I'm gonna get gluing, and we'll see when it's done. Holy shit, this is crazy. Look at this. Let me get my phone out of there. Look at that. That looks fucking amazing. I'm really impressed with myself right now. Actually, this might be the coolest mod that I've done to the truck. Look at that. It looks like lava on the camera, but in person it looks like, I mean, it's, damn, that's so cool. All right, so now that we've actually got it done, we've got everything put together, everything's drying. Now we need to figure out how the hell are we going to mount this in the truck. So my plan right now is to use some string. I got some string over here to tie each side to the handles inside the truck, up on the, you know, like the O-ship bars or whatever those are called. That's my plan right now. So once we can get that tied up there, I think we're good. Now the only thing about this is these lights did not come battery powered. They came with the 12 volt plug-in, so you actually have to plug these into an outlet. I do have an outlet in the truck, but this isn't something that I'm gonna wanna look. I got fuzz stuck to my finger. The cap at the top of the can was stuck. Every time I'd go to take my finger off, the cap would come out with my finger. It was stuck to it. I'm not gonna plug this in all the time. I'm not gonna ride around with this. This obviously, like I said, this is just for video purposes. If we really wanted to do something, we'd do like a Starlight headliner and then put clouds or something, I don't know. But for the sake of the video, that's fucking cool. So I'm gonna get this installed and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna be honest, I think install was the hardest part, but there you go. I mean, it's obviously, I got some work to do, but you guys can see, let me hear, hold on. So y'all can see what it looks like. I had to put the seats all the way back to be able to get it to go in kind of sideways, but I mean, I think it looks freaking amazing. I mean, obviously it's not perfect because it's not actually attached to the headliner, but if I could get it to sit, and obviously I'll mess with this a little bit more tomorrow, if I could get it to sit a little bit more flush up, like if I actually had a, you know, a piece of cardboard or something that was a little bit stiffer, which is what I wanted to do originally. But I mean, for a first test run, I mean, you literally, let's close the door and see. Yeah, from the outside, that's all you see is that right there. That's so freaking cool. From the front. So obviously it's drooping down a little bit. I need to tighten it, but look at that. Just got red clouds in there right now. That's so freaking cool. Like I'm telling you, I think if it could sit just a little bit farther up like that, and obviously a little bit more up on the sides, which I'm gonna mess with this a little bit more in the morning once it's light outside, because I definitely got to show the guys at work. I can't take this down without showing somebody in person. Somebody has to see this. This is just crazy. So I'm gonna leave it for the night. I'm gonna let the glue dry. There's probably gonna be some pieces of fuzz or cotton filling, whatever, that fall down tonight. So I'll pick those up, glue some more stuff back in the morning, and then hopefully be able to attach it a little bit closer to the ceiling. But as of right now, I don't really have a lot. There's one little piece of cotton that's kind of dangling down in the back there, but other than that, it looks pretty fucking good. So I'm gonna call it a night. It's cold as hell outside. I will see you guys in the morning for a cold start. You guys didn't get a good look at it last night, but this is really what it looks like. Now you guys can really see that it's definitely drooping, and if I want to keep this any kind of long term, it's gonna need to go up like that to be able, for me to even be able to sit here, because right now I'm having to like lean all the way forward, because right now this ain't working. I mean, I guess if I like scoot my seat all the way forward, I can still sit up, but the cotton is touching the back of my head. Like, it would be so much better if I could get some tape or something and get it to sit up like that, so then I could at least, you know, have some headroom. But this is way too much cotton on here. Even though it looks cool as shit, it definitely needs a redesign. And I think the way to do this is to actually put it on the headliner. I mean, if I was really gonna keep this, put it on the headliner. That's the way to go. Because then it's like a lot higher up and it's nowhere close to as permanent. Shit's not gonna keep falling off. I mean, I have no cotton that's falling off though. I mean, I sprayed the hell out of this thing with the damn glue last night, so I'd hope none of the shit falls off, but it definitely needs a little bit of a redesign. It's only been like 24 hours and I'm already tired of this shit. But so let me say this. I've said this a couple of times. It's only been 24 hours. I'm ready to take them out because it's annoying me because it's not sitting flush. If you guys want me to do a more permanent version, please let me know in the comments. Like this video, comment below, let me know, because I'm probably gonna take this shit out tonight because it's fucking annoying. I don't like how it hangs down, but I gotta show y'all what it looks like during the day before we take it out, just so we can at least see. So that's what we're gonna do. God damn it. I'm gonna plug it in so y'all can at least see what it looks like during the day. I do have to start the truck up because I'm gonna kill the battery like really quick if I don't. See, you can't really see it during the day, look. But that looks cool as shit though. I mean, if it actually,
there's only one color?
Yeah, it's only red. I couldn't find the color changing ones at Walmart last night. It looks cool as fuck though, like if it would actually stay.
Yeah, I mean, you check some thumbtacks.
But at night, it's crazy bright. At night, it looks
really
fucking crazy. So I'm probably gonna end up taking this out. Like I said, let me know in the comments below. If you guys like these kind of videos, let me know. Hit that subscribe button. We're getting this bread right now. New podcast just dropped today, Lifted in the A. Go check out the new podcast, new videos every Friday. I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.